everyone, welcome to Coding Tricks. Hope you are doing great, right? Yes. So in our previous sessions we have seen about some tags like background color, how do you set the background color, text color and all. And we have seen so many tags like this. So now we are going to learn about HTML formatting elements. So this HTML formatting elements, what are those? And what is the difference between some of them? So here we have HTML formatting elements. B tag is used for bold text. I tag is used for italic text. So all this we will see one by one. So one thing you should remember that there's bold text and strong. B and strong will give the same output depending on the browsers. Actually, strong should give us like important text, but it will show both the same output. Next, I and EM, these both will also look same. So let us see one by one that. So this B tag is for bold tag and strong is also for bold. So let us see the output, how it will work. I'm going to show you with the help of Notepad. You can use the other editors also. So I'm going to try this. So B tag. B tag. So before that I'm going to write some HTML code. Like HTML, I will write HTML. Then I will write a new tag of HTML. So I will show you how that B tag will work now. I'm going to save this on the desktop. Like test.html and I will work on it. So here this text is bold. You should get within the bold text. This text is bold. See, this is how it will work. This text is bold. You can see here. Whereas I will show you about strong text. So strong, strong, strong. I will copy the same. This text is bold because it will also give the bold text, but actually it is important text. Strong. I will give this strong. Then I am going to save this. Then I am going to run this. So this text is bold. This text is bold. So I don't want that in single line. So I will use BR tag to break that. Yes, it worked out. So this is how this bold text and strong text will work. Next element we have seen as italic. So I tag. So this text is italic. I will show you this text is italic. So if you want to do italic text, what you will do is you will write I tag. So I will close I. You should have the habit of closing when you are ending this tag, or else you will get some of the tags you will get error. So this text is italic. You can see in the italic format. So here I will use BR tag because I don't want it in the single line. So you can see here. Yes, it worked out. So similar way you have EM tag. This text is italic because it will look similar. So I am using the same. So EM tag. This text is italic. You can't see any difference between these two. You can't see any difference between these two. Bold and italic both will give the same. So next we will see what tag. Small. So HTML small tag. So what is this small tag is? That will define the smaller text. So let us see how it will define the smaller text. So I am going to save this. see like this. Small, here small will give as small, or I will write some coding tricks here. You can observe the difference. So you will get HTML and formatting as in big font, and the coding tricks is in small. You can see it here. So this is the element of HTML. It is small. Next is mark. So this mark, it will give mark. So how it will give, you can see it. So the syntax of this is H2 HTML, like this you can write. Within the mark tag, you should write what you want to mark. So I'm going to execute this like this. So this is how mark tag will work. Next is del element. So this del element will delete the defined one. So here I have defined blue. I don't want blue. So let us see how it will work. Here I have defined dull as blue. I don't want dull. So it will cross for me. Like it will strike out for me. See here. The blue is striped out. Here I have written my favorite color is red. Here blue has striped out. Here again I wrote red. So for me it came as my favorite color is red. So in this way the del will work. Next is in as insert. So this insert tag is opposite to del tag. It will insert the values whatever you have given in the insert tag. So see here. Here I have given is pink is to be inserted. My favorite color is pink. Here pink will be inserted. Yes, my favorite color is pink. Color will get underlined. Here color is inserted, and then is pink is have written it outside the insert. Within the paragraph I have written color. Whatever you are writing here within the INS, then it will be inserted. Then the next element is sub. So sub is subscript. That means if you want to write under the element, under the text like H2, like that. So what you will do is you will write the subtext. Sub is should be sub. And then you will write whatever the element you want to get down. I am going to write here H2. So if 2 is under H, so that is subscript. So 2 will be subscript of H. That's why I have written here. So I am going to refresh this H2 text. So this is how subscript will work for you. Next, in the same way, superscript also works same like this. So I will copy this and I will put here x square. I want to write x square. So if you want the superscript, you can see here. Sorry, here I have written sub. So I should write here sub. Sub is for sub and sup is for superscript. Square text. So in this way, you can use subscript and superscript elements. Next tag is P tag. You already know about this. So this is how the HTML formatting elements will work. So B will define bold, EM will define emphasise text, I is for italic text, small is for smaller text, short is for important text, sub is for subscripted text, and sup is for superscripted. INS insert, delete, marked or highlighted text. So this is how you will work with HTML elements. So next one is we will see about quotational and citational elements. So this quotational and citational elements, how it will work. Let us see. So Q is for short quotes, like single quotes, like that. So within the Q, you will use whatever you want. So let us see this. I have given here some text. So I am going to copy this and I'm going to save this and I'm going to run this. So this queue, see within the quotes, within double quotes, you got this. I've written here, well in future where people live in harmony with nature. So this is how within the double quotes you will get this queue tag. If you want to write quotes for this, you should write that like this in HTML. So next one is block quote. Block quote will defines in a section. Like if you want to write a block quote for this, so you will write like this. I'm going to show you how to write the block quote. So here I have written, here is quote P, block quote site. So this site does this value I should block. So I'm going to show you. So see here, you will not find that block quote site. Here is a code. Here you will find different courses from basics. So whatever I have written here, you will get that only. But this site you will not get. That because I have written a block quotes. That means that quotes will be blocked. Like this you can use the block site. So this will be used when you are writing the code, like if you don't want to show that whatever the site you are using, like that. So next one is abbreviation. So if you are using the abbreviation throughout your document, so in that case what you will do is, once you will write the title equal to IIT, sorry, Indian Institute of Technology, and wherever you use IIT, it can show like this, the full form of that, Indian Institute of Technology, like that. So when you mouse over, you can get like that. See here, I will show you. See here, I pointed the mouse here. Like the tooltip it will work. We have seen the tooltip right before, so like the tooltip it will work. When you are pointed the mouse over here, it will show you Indian Institute of Technology, the full form abbreviation. You will get it from here. So this is how ABBR tag will work with you. Next is address. So for the address you will get with italics and you will get with small, like whatever the text you have. So address you will write like this. Within the address tags you will write what is the address of your home. So here I have written by coding tricks. Visitors at codingtricks.com. So here written by will come in italics and visitors at will come in italics. So let us see how the address tag will work with it. Yes. So written by coding tricks, visitors at codingtricks.com. So whenever you are seeing in the site, if you are observing the address, you will get in this format. So address tag will work like this. Next one is BDO. This is very interesting. So BDO, if your browser supports this tag, you can see that some of the browsers will not support this BDO tag. BDO tag will give from both the directions, like from left to right and from right to left. So you can see here, I have copied here. Within the BDO you will write whatever you want. Direction, that is here I have given right to left. Because left to right will always, normally it will come for you, like all this. So if you want to from left to right to left, so you can see here, this text will be written from right to left. So whatever we have given here, it will come in the reverse format. This is how BDO will work. Next is comments, HTML comments. How HTML comments is this already you know, I have already teach you. So within the angular brace with exclamation marks, like this you will write a comment. If you want to write a comment, you will write comments. So now I will teach you why you will want to write these comments. So if you are developing like this, like all combination, so the developer will not know what you are developing. So if you write the comments, he will get understand that what you have written. So for example, I have written here, this text is bold, this text is bold. Here he will get confused. So here I will write the comment as both the strong and weak tag will give the same output like bold text. So if I write like this, it is easy to understand for the developer. So this is how the comments will work in all the languages. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for everyone. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.